The electric power steering warning light is a critical indicator that appears on your dashboard when the EPS system detects a fault. Understanding what this light means and how to diagnose the problem is essential for vehicle safety. The EPS system consists of several key components that work together to provide steering assistance. The main components include the torque sensor, electric motor, electronic control unit, and position sensors. Modern vehicles use advanced diagnostic technologies, including OBD3 integration and wireless diagnostic tools. These systems provide specific fault codes that help identify the exact problem within the EPS system. The diagnostic process follows a systematic approach. First, connect an OBD2 scanner to retrieve fault codes. Then perform a visual inspection of wiring harnesses and connectors for any physical damage. Next, test the voltage supply to ensure the system receives proper 12-volt power. Use a multimeter to verify power supply and ground connections. Finally, calibrate sensors and assess motor function under load. Ignoring the EPS warning light can lead to serious safety hazards. Without proper steering assistance, the vehicle becomes much harder to control, especially at low speeds or during parking maneuvers. Professional diagnosis is always recommended for permanent solutions. There are two primary methods for resetting an EPS system when the warning light appears. The success of each method varies significantly based on the vehicle and underlying issue. The professional method, using manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools, has an 89% success rate and provides permanent solutions. The emergency battery disconnect method only works in 25 to 30% of cases and mainly provides temporary relief. The professional method requires a manufacturer-specific diagnostic tool. This 6-step process ensures proper system calibration and provides the highest success rate for permanent repair. Professional diagnostic tools achieve an 89% success rate because they can perform proper system calibration and address the root cause of EPS faults. The emergency method involves disconnecting the battery to reset the system. This procedure may provide temporary relief, but has significant limitations and low success rates. Important warning: this emergency method only works in 25 to 30% of cases and is mainly effective for older, legacy vehicles. Modern vehicles require proper diagnostic procedures. Here's the clear comparison of success rates. Professional methods achieve 89% success, while emergency battery disconnect methods only work in 25 to 30% of cases. The key takeaway is that if the EPS warning light persists after attempting these reset procedures, it indicates a more serious underlying issue that requires professional attention and proper diagnostic equipment.